The idle stop feature, standard on Pilot Touring and Elite trims, helps maximize your fuel efficiency in stop-and-go traffic. Press firmly on the brake pedal to bring the vehicle to a complete stop. The engine automatically shuts off to save fuel. When you release the brake pedal even slightly, the engine starts back up by itself. The system is engineered to operate smoothly and seamlessly when restarting, so that it's not distracting to you or your passengers. When the engine shuts off, the climate control system can continue to operate and maintain a comfortable cabin temperature, even in warm or cold weather. If the cabin temperature becomes too warm or cool, the engine will automatically restart. In certain traffic conditions, the idle stop function may not be desirable, so you have the option to easily disable the feature with a button located near the shift controls. After restarting the vehicle, idle stop defaults back to on. There are also circumstances when auto idle stop may not shut the engine off. For example, when the engine and transmission temperatures are too low or too high. When the climate control has not yet reached the desired temperature, the climate control is in defog mode, the battery is recharging, or if the transmission is in any position other than drive. Lastly, the engine won't shut off if the vehicle is in sand, mud, or snow mode. The Pilot also has a convenient auto shift to park feature that you should know how to use. When parking, after idle stop has shut off the engine and you hit the park button, the engine will restart. This is to remind the driver that the vehicle is still on in case you do not immediately exit the vehicle. However, if you simply press the engine start-stop button instead of park, the engine will stay off. This special auto shift to park feature shifts the transmission to park while also shutting down the vehicle.